Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to hide your active status. Don't want people seeing when you're online on Facebook. Here's how to hide your active status step by step. First of all, open your settings. Open the Facebook app and then tap on the three lines on the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap settings and privacy and then choose settings. Next, scroll down to the section called audience and visibility. Now what you're gonna do is, here you'll see the option so when you're active, simply toggle this off. You can also turn it off for Messenger separately by going to the Messenger app and then going to settings and then tapping on the active status and then turn it off if it is on. Now your friends won't see the green dot or active now text on your name. You can browse Facebook privately, and that's it. You have hidden your active status. Follow for more quick Facebook tips and privacy tricks. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment on this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next